Are you looking to buy Bitcoin? I'm going to tell you something. I just need to make sure we're broadcasting properly on YouTube first. So let's have a look. Yes, we are. Cool. Okay, so this is live, so I'll edit that early part out. But that's the question. Are you looking to buy Bitcoin? Why do I ask? Well, it's because today Bitcoin is up at $46,000 a coin. That is incredible. That is a huge rise over the last year. You think back. In fact, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, pretty much this time last year, I think Bitcoin was around about the $9,000 mark. In March last year, it dipped down to about $4,000 or $5,000. Now it is up at 46,000, over $46,000, the value of a Bitcoin right now. So the question is, how do you get hold of Bitcoin? That's one of the questions that we want to ask as well. Also, I'm going to ask why. Why is Bitcoin going so high? So first of all, let me share my screen. Okay. Let me put myself down in the corner. Okay. This is my Bitcoin wallet. I put Bitcoin in and out. I trade it. I take payments for it for my company by receiving Bitcoin. I then put it into a company called Paxful. I can then make trades with people that will buy my Bitcoin for me at good prices. So it's not like I'm trading it on the markets. I'm just using it to buy and sell, or to receive payment for my business and be able to pay myself. So hold on, let's show you what's going on here. Okay, in this corner here, this is Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin day. So it goes up and down in a day. And today, right at the moment, this is February the 11th, and it is 1:10 in the UK in the afternoon. And so Bitcoin's trading at 46,439.08. In the last week, it has gone up 23.32%. Okay, that's just in the last week. Now, it does fluctuate, of course, and obviously, massive disclaimer here. I'm not recommending anyone to do anything. I'm just showing you the movement of Bitcoin, because I find it amazing. So in the last month, it has increased by 37%. But here's where it gets really interesting. In the last year, this is what I'm saying. In the last year, it was March time last year, it was down at 5,000. Might have even been lower than that, $4,830. That's where it was trading at. And then suddenly, December, man, it spiked massively in December, had a little dip, and then it's going up again. So you've got to ask yourself, or I ask myself the question, what on earth happened in December to make Bitcoin so so exciting? So I'm going to share another screen with you, and I'm going to share this screen. Screen share. Okay, so I thought let's have a look. Let's have a look at what was going on in December. That's the wrong one. Hold on a touch. Let me share the right. Let me get the right page up. Share screen. Current tab. Okay, this is the one. Yeah, so I looked up. I just went and Googled what happened, and yeah, so basically what happened in December, and a lot of people are saying, so this one I got from QZ.com course. Why did Bitcoin's price surge more than 200% this year? So this is an article by Leila McClellan, and she wrote this back in December 24, and she said, yeah, it went up over 200%. Seeing Bitcoin valued at 23,000. So, you know, 23,000 in December. It was 23. Now it's 46. So no, 90 days before that, it was just a 10. So what did happen? So she compares it to what happened back in 2017. There was a big spike. But if you read this article, it goes into telling you that basically, yeah, there's some serious landmarks, and this is the one. Yeah, Bitcoin landmarks have been tied to household brands that have attracted small individual investors. PayPal announced that it would allow its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin on its site in October. The payments company Square and Robinhood stock trading platform, which entered the currency, and you know there's just more and more high-end trading platforms. It's becoming more and more the currency to have. So it's getting very popular with a lot of people. I'm going to close that one because I thought, well, let's have a look at somebody else. I never like to just base it on one person. So let me share my screen again. And Bitcoin prices. Here's what happened 2020. That was it. Let's have a look at this one. Show this one in the screen. Oop, wrong way around. Let's do it that way. Okay. So Bitcoin price. There we go. Bitcoin price. What happened in 2020? Here's what happened. And this is an article, CoinDesk. Bradley Keown. I'm not sure how you pronounce his surname. But yeah, for many reasons, 2020 will loom large in the future textbooks on financial history. So, you know, it's again, he goes into all about Bitcoin. A nice, interesting comparison: Bitcoin returns versus gold and S&P 500. You know, it is huge. But of course, you know, this is volatile, but it's got so much momentum now that I think it's just gonna carry on going. Yeah, it will go up and down. And you know, I'm not a market trader, so I can't give you any advice. But everything, just have a look, Google it yourself, and just check out where Bitcoin is going. So that's a really interesting article. Plenty of detail. June, September. Let's see what happened. What was it that spiked it in December? It's got October, December. So, October. Come on. Here we go. It starts to get some. So JP Morgan, yeah, who called it a fraud, but then suddenly they're all endorsing it. You know, this is the thing. So Stanley Druckenmiller, Skybridge Capital, Alliance Bernstein, all these people. There's that graph again. So what comes next? There, and here we go. It's interesting, isn't it? So read that article. That tells you all about what happened that last year. And of course, I guess I'll take that one off, and I want to share this screen again. Yes, I've got two more I want to share with you. And the question this guys are asking is, will Bitcoin continue to rise? Crypto experts Finixio make their predictions. And basically their predictions are they believe it will. Yeah, they're saying it can be volatile. But they're saying 2020, the rise of Bitcoin is driven by institutional investment. Large hedge funds and publicly traded companies are driving this bull cycle, and they don't present the same reputational drawbacks that retail investors do. So it's being bought into by some serious players. And there's an article there that is globenswire.com. So check out that one. I can't Finixio, so Global Newswire. That's that one. And of course, when they talk about serious players driving the market, you don't get many more serious than this man here, of course. So Bitcoin price hits record after Tesla buys. So Tesla, how much did they buy, do you think? Well, they bought, yeah, the company disclosed in its annual report on Monday. So this is this week. This is the New York Times. This was February the 8th. And yeah, here we go. The company disclosed in its annual report on Monday that it had purchased 1.5 billion worth of cryptocurrency as part of an initiative beyond last month to invest in alternative assets like digital currencies, gold bullion, and expected to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment in the near future. So, you know, I like this. Cool, because I can take Bitcoin as payment, so quite happily, because I can take it. I can say, okay, something is worth, say you want to buy something from me for £500. If you want to pay me in Bitcoin, you give me £500 worth of Bitcoin, and I just pay 500. I just reconvert that and sell it on and get my £500. It's that simple. But when people like Elon Musk are buying it in at you know, in the billions, then you know it's a tried and trusted source. Okay, for the next, this is your little Thursday teach. Just have a look at Bitcoin. I'm not suggesting you buy any, but if you want to investigate more, there's a phenomenal philanthropy fund, the F2S fund, where people can trade in Bitcoin, where you buy Bitcoin. Basically, you know, it's like a crowdfunding philanthropy program where you select a cause. You can then buy in for a one-time payment of $120 that converts into Bitcoin. And then as you bring more people into your network, get more people supporting your causes, that then rises in value, and you'll be able to take out, in some case, if you're on a global level, you'll be able to take out $200,000 when you go through 4 cycles. Too complicated to explain here, but yeah, go check that out. The links are all down the bottom. The links to all the websites that I talked about, all the news items I've just talked about, are all in the comments. So do go check them out and make your own unbiased decision. All I'm saying is it's amazing. Today, on the 11th of February, Bitcoin is trading at over $46,000 a coin. That's the highest it's ever been. It's the currency, I believe, of the future. So you need to go and find out about it, learn about it, if nothing else. Okay, till next time. See you soon.